You gave a commitment in 2024. You said that bulk purchasing of these homes by vulture funds should not be tolerated, cannot be tolerated. You're a Minister for Finance. You're not just tolerating this once or twice. 293 times last year you have tolerated this. 293 opportunities snapped away by vulture funds for young people who wanted to buy their first home. And you stand there and somehow defend this because you offer no solutions. It cannot be tolerated in 2024, and it should not be tolerated now. Vulture funds should not be allowed to outbid and swoop in and buy premises, buy homes from under the noses of ordinary first-time buyers. That's simple as. So I ask you, what are you going to do about it? If you genuinely believe that it shouldn't be tolerated, as you said, then what are you going to do about it? Because the solution is simple. Ban vulture funds from bulk purchasing family homes. Simple as, end the practice, step up and do the right thing on behalf of people who are being completely outpriced in the market and are losing faith as a result of your policies.
To respond.
So I've told the House very clearly what we're going to do. We've brought in a higher rate of stamp duty. We increased it further. We're seeing the number fall. We've brought in specific planning guidelines as well that are having a very significant effect. And we are now seeing more homes actually be sold than bought up by institutional investors. That is a very significant change. So we gave a commitment, we acted on the commitment, and we're seeing the benefit of that policy now. It's important, though, that we discuss these issues in relation to housing. It's important that we discuss issues in relation to HAP. But you know what it's important, Ceann Comhairle? That we're not hypocritical. We're having a discussion today about the housing assistance payments. That was the starting point you made, the Simon Community Report. Your housing spokesperson described HAP as a chronic waste of money. That was your position. We're trying to actually review it and make sure it works. And when it comes to Sinn Féin, Ceann Comhairle, Mary Lou MacDonald comes into the Dáil and speaks of a housing emergency, and then she goes back to Cabra, where it's a housing objection. That's hypocrisy.
Thank you.